Hey y'all, we are at the Midwest Preparedness Festival getting everything ready. Everything really gets started on Thursday, but we're here on Monday getting prepared, everything set up, getting the tent ready, everything, a lot to do. Anyway, we have our tent set up, and one of the risks that you take when you leave your rain fly off is bird poop. So this is our door. Now I'm gonna back up a second. We have a 10 by 10 pop-up just outside of our door. However, it does not actually go over the door because the tent is longer than the pop-up. So see that pole there in the middle? That's the outer edge of the pop-up canopy. There's the edge of it, and the tent goes beyond that. So here's our entrance door, and there's the edge of the canopy just right above it. However, a bird decided to drop a bomb right as it flew over that little opening right there. So what has happened now, we have bird poop on the screen of our door, and it's splatter painted all over my sleeping bag and the floor of our tent. That is my brand new sleeping bag. Brand new, just got it. Oh, apparently it has happened some more. Oh no, we have more up there. See those spots on the roof? Because now there's splatter paint on more. It's on my jacket, more on my sleeping bag. Ugh, this is fun. So, when you don't have the rain fly on because it's a beautiful day, you're gonna have bird poop in your tent.